أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson number 16. Today we are looking at Isme Mutamakkin and Isme Ghair Mutamakkin. So first of all we looked at Morab and Mabni, declinable and indeclinable words or letters, indeclinable words, and we understood from the previous lesson that there are some natural indeclinable words, and we said that all huruf, all particles, fi'l mazi, and some muzare and amar hazir ma'ruf, there were four that are natural indeclinable words. And in this lesson, inshallah, we will look at the declinable nouns. So declinable noun, ismi mutamakkin, and a noun that has no similarities with the natural indeclinables is called ismi mutamakkin. So it is called a declinable noun. वो इसम जो मबनीउल असल के मुशाबे ना हो, so they don't have any similarities with either a huruf or a past fi'l mazi mutlaq or amar hazir ma'ruf or any noun that has noon ta'keed sakila or noon ta'keed khafifa at the end, or it is jama muannas. So they would be the natural declinables, indeclinables. So if it doesn't have any similarities with them, then this is a declinable noun, and the example that I have given here is Zaydun. Zaydun. You see, Zaydun is a noun, is a ism, but it doesn't have any similarities with any of the four. Okay? And inshallah, we will look at that further on along the book, like the style of Nahw, that first they looked at Isme Ghair Mutamakkin, the indeclinable nouns, and then they looked at Isme Mutamakkin, the declinable nouns. And the reason for that is that Isme Ghair Mutamakkin is less in number. There is only 8 of them. The division is 8. And Isme Mutamakkin, there is 16. In Nahw, later on when you get to Hadayatul Nahw, the number will decrease. But for this, but presently, because this is for Mubtadi students, this is for beginners, so we are trying to keep it very simple. A noun that has similarities with the natural indeclinables is Isme Ghair Mutamakkin. Ghair Mutamakkin. Okay. So Mutamakkin. Mutamakkin, meaning that the meaning of Mutamakkin is that the i'rab, it changes, and the noun it is being given space, so it is able to change. There is fluctuation in the diacritic. Okay, but when you say Ghair Mutamakkin, it means that it is not given any space. Okay, that it has no room for fluctuating, no room for changing. Okay, and although the regent, the amil, suggests that it should change, but there are certain conditions that prevent it from changing. And inshallah, we will be looking at all of them conditions. So at this moment in time, we are looking at Isme Ghair Mutamakkin. Isme Ghair, the definition of Ghair Mutamakkin is a noun that has similarities with the natural indeclinables, is a indeclinable noun. And the example that I've written in the book is Huwa and Haza. Okay, and inshallah we're going to look at them in details. How many divisions does Isme Ghair Mutamakkin have? It has 8 divisions. How many? 8 divisions. And this is page 24. Number 1, Muzmarat, pronouns. So all pronouns are Ghair Mutamakkin. They are indeclinable nouns. Asma Isharat, they are nouns of indication, nouns to indicate, ishara. Okay, and Asma Mawsula, they are relative pronouns, and they are conjunctive nouns as well. They are termed as, they can call them that as well, but relative pronouns is better. Asma Mawsula. Number 4 is Asma Af'al, so they are verbal nouns, verbal nouns. Okay, and inshallah we will look at them in detail. Asma Aswat, they are nouns of the voice. Sawt means voice. Asma Zuruf, Asma Zuruf, they are nouns of placement. They are a place, okay? And Asma Kinayat, they are nouns of illusion. Nouns of illusion. Murakkab Binai, it is a indeclinable compound, okay? Indeclinable compound. So, Isme Ghair Mutamakkin, there are 8 divisions to it. Musmarat, Asma Isharat, Asma Mawsula, Asma Afal, Asma Iswat, Asma Zuruf, Asma Kinayat, Murakkab Binai. So, it is better to know these from memory. So, how many divisions there are, so then it would make understanding stuff very, very easy for you, inshallah, because they have all conjugations. They all have all of these categories, these 8 types of isme ghair the divisions of isme ghair mutamakin. They all have a conjugation, and inshallah we will be putting that in the description box as well. And so we will end here with this lesson today, inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our efforts and give us the ability to understand Kitabullah and Sunnati Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.